How to read a map and get to Chicago. Reading a map is an important skill that may be lost in the internet and GPS era, but it's a skill everyone should have. So today we will get rid of the GPS and learn to read a map. Let's go. Find the compass rose on the map to determine the directions. On this map it is located in the lower right-hand corner. The compass will resemble a flower and have a N at the top. A compass will help determine your location. If you do not have a compass, then you know the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This will tell you which way is north and which way south. What do the pictures on the legend mean? What are they trying to tell me? Locate the legend. On this map it is in the upper right-hand corner. The legend tells you what the symbols on the map represent. All of these symbols are telling you something. For example, the red line on the map shows you major highways and freeways, and the green dotted line represents national parks and monuments. Next, find the scale. It looks like a small ruler. On this map 100 miles is equal to 1 inch. When you measure from our starting point Avon and end at Chicago, it is equal to approximately 3 inches, which is 300 miles. Next, let's look at latitude and longitude lines. Latitude lines go east and west and longitude lines go north and south. Where they intersect is your point of reference. They are used when there are no landmarks. Now that we can read a map, let's go to Chicago. What's in Chicago? Enter Chicago's Great Front Lawn Millenium Park. The public space is where you can find some of the city's most iconic scenery. Stroll through the blooming perennial Lurie Gardens, which are enclosed by a 15-foot-high hedge. Admire art installations along the tree-lined Chase Promenade, with different exhibitions held throughout the year. Founded in 1930, Adler Planetarium is a monumental science facility occupying the northeastern tip of Chicago's northerly island. It has a vintage charm with its prominent planetarium dome and Art Deco exterior embellished with bronze zodiac reliefs. From inside the dome, you can travel through the universe through the Grauer Sky Theater's digital projection. Before the flows of the Chicago River meet Lake Michigan, it runs through most of the loop. One of the best ways to see the city from up close is the Chicago Riverwalk, a gentrified waterfront path through downtown, along the river's south bank. Start your walks from Lakeshore Drive and up to Lake Street. Shed Aquarium features a great collection of aquatic displays, ranging from the flooded rainforests of South America to the tropical coral reefs of the Pacific. It's right on the South Lake Shore, before Adler Planetarium on Northerly Island. Don't miss the Abbott Oceanarium, where you can see beluga whales, dolphins, sea lions, and sea otters. Let's start our trip. Are we going the right way? Isn't Chicago the other direction? Do you know how to drive? How did we end up in Fort Wayne? I thought you could read a map. Let me read the map. We are almost there. I can smell the deep dish pizzas from here. We finally made it. Chicago is beautiful.